falls, fire grows, broken faith, broken notes, crimson signs shake the sky. Silent war comes alive. Hands reached out for the light. Now the dark owns the night. Ashes of the wind, burning in the rain. What we call a dream only brought the pain. If it all comes down, if it all breaks free, I will face the fire. It won't bury me. Voices rise through the flame. Nothing leaves quite the same. Every vow turns to dust. Every truth loses trust. Ashes of the wish, burning in the rain. What we called a dream only brought the pain. If it all comes down, if it all breaks free, I will face the fire. It won't bury me. It won't bury me. No disguise, no retreat. Through the dark, on my feet.